In this guide, I'm going to show you how to fix low call volume on iPhone. Before we do get into this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and it lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point throughout this guide you did have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Now, first things first, go ahead and open up your settings. So back out of your phone app, open up settings, and then you need to scroll down and find accessibility on here and open it up. It's going to look something like this for you. You need to scroll down on here and look specifically for touch and open that up. Once you open up touch, scroll down on here and look for call audio routing. You'll see it right here. By default, it's going to be set to automatic. If it's set to like a Bluetooth headset or speaker, your call may be going to the wrong place. So make sure it's set to automatic instead. From here, go back to accessibility and scroll down on here and look for hearing devices next. Open this up specifically and then find it like hearing devices on here. If you don't use hearing aids, just make sure that this is turned off as well. If you do use hearing aids, make sure this is turned on. From here, go back to your settings and look specifically for sounds and haptics. You could search for this. It honestly makes it a little bit easier. So just back out, search for sounds and haptics, and go ahead and open up sounds and haptics. It's going to look something like this for you. Tap the headphone safety option on here. So scroll down, find headphone safety, and you essentially need to go ahead and adjust these settings. So essentially make sure that this is adjusted so that reduced loud audio is turned off. And if this is turned on, make sure that the volume sliders are slightly adjusted as well, or raise the limit so that it's not like blocking any audio automatically. From here, just use those side volume buttons to turn your volume up and down just like so. It really is as simple as that. If you guys have any questions, ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Before you do leave this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help us out and it lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. Have a great rest of your day though. Peace.